The Hudson RCI Netptune heated humidifier with ConsciSmart technology from Teleflex. Innovation and excellence in humidification. Clinicians are empowered to choose auto settings mode or adjustable mode. It's your choice. The Netptune heated humidifier features two modes. The non-invasive mode temperature can be set as low as 28 degrees, supporting patient comfort by humidifying low gas temperature. The invasive mode temperature can be set as high as 40 degrees Celsius. The concha reservoir bracket can be placed on the left or right side of the Netptune heated humidifier. The 1650 milliliter sterile water reservoir system helps to promote optimal humidification and streamline workflow. The ConsciSmart column offers a universal application across a variety of patients and therapies for versatile, easy operation. As the water level decreases, ConsciSmart technology illuminates a proactive low water notification, enhancing clinician efficiency. The self-correcting alarm will alert the clinician when the temperature probe or heated wire connection is disconnected. A simple reconnection continues normal operation. ConsciSmart technology delivers best-in-class features, driving standardization to help manage time and money. One single, smart, practical solution to meet the unique needs of your patients and institution.